Okay. Hi guys. A lot of friends ask me about my helmet jacket holders. So let me show you what I did in my garage. I took these steel pipes for plumbing. You know, in the hardware store, one is, the smaller ones are 15 centimeters and the longer one is 20 centimeters, so two of each. Then I got two of these L-shaped joints. I don't know if you call it knee, but I don't know how you call it in your country. And I got this montage kit with this L joints on it, with 3 holes for montage on any surface you like. So what I did is basically took this one, and this will go on the wall. So I have 2 smaller ones that go you know, under, so it will be holder for jackets. No, actually I need 3. Oh, there's the one on the floor. Wait a second. So yes, this part is for jackets, so I just, you know, leave it like this. I'll just tighten it up a little bit more, leave it like this, and put this end cap on it. You know, this is just for show. So this is for the jacket. This is the part for the jacket. This will go on the there. And now we have, for the helmet, we need 20 centimeters because you want that your helmet is removed from the wall, so you have enough space to put it there. Okay. And enough space, you know, to hold your helmet. So this is the, now I can tighten this up a little bit. These joints also need to be a little firmer. Maybe one more. Okay. Okay. I'll just take, you know, but it's a good thing that you always can tighten some more. And then I took another piece of this mounting piece for pipes with the L joint and put it on top, and this will be the rest for the helmet, you know. Let me just take the pliers so it will be easy. My father was a plumber, but I obviously forgot how to work with the plumbing. Okay, so this is it. You know, you have your helm, your, I don't know, jacket holder, and here you have your helmet holder. You can see how it looks when it's mounted, and I will now mount it in the middle. You know, to have a guest hanger when my friends come here. You have your jacket holder. Let's put my collars on it. And I think it look nice and a little bit industrial, and the most important thing is it is very useful. Following the jackets and everything, so I'm pretty satisfied. That's it, guys. Thank you. Hate, troll, and unsubscribe, please.